So guys, now we are going to talk about the 10th position holder in this year's UPSC exam, that is Satyam Gandhi. The Union Public Service Commission declared the result for the Civil Service exam 2020 on September 25 after keeping everyone waiting for the longest time. The topper Shubham Kumar hailed from Katihar in Bihar. On the other hand, Satyam Kumar Gandhi of Samistipur secured All India rank 10. Once the news was out, there was an atmosphere of celebration in his native village Digada and people were overwhelmed by the news. Satyam began his journey for the civil services in May 2019 when he was still in his third year of his graduation. Instead of taking help from a coaching center, he preferred studying at home for 12 hours in a day in a closed room. He says that the first stage has been passed and now in the coming years he wants to contribute to the rural development of the country. He has stayed in Bihar for 18 years and wants to give priority to the Bihar cadre for his posting. He says that he understands the problems people of Bihar face on a daily basis and would like to help them. His advice for future aspirants is to self-study for 10 hours every day. Candidates should set weekly and monthly targets and their goals and focus should be clear. So guys, that was all about Satyam Gandhi, and as you can see guys, he had a very good preparation study, and by doing self-study also he was able to clear the UPSC exam. I wish him all the success in his life and congratulate him, and I'm sure that he is going to do wonders for the Indian administration and help in the development of his city, that is Bihar. So guys, here I would like to say that if you want to watch the mock interviews which are going to be very beneficial for you and all the aspirants, then I suggest you head to the website of Plutus IAS. All the mock interviews are live at their website right now, and I think you should definitely check it out and take all the help you need from watching these mock interviews. So guys, since the name of Plutus IAS is out, let me tell you why it is considered one of the best coachings when it considers IAS preparation. So guys, this year also Plutus IAS has proven to themselves to be the best when it comes to IAS preparation, because a total of 9 candidates cleared the UPSC exam guys. Yes, you heard me right, a total of 9, and that is no easy task guys, because the IAS exam is considered to be one of the toughest exams in the world, and that too for a coaching to help achieve 9 students their dream of becoming an IAS officer is an impossible task guys. And one more thing guys, if that was not enough, they also have managed to grab the top 30 positions in for 3 of the toppers. Yes guys, you heard me right, among those 9 students, 3 are in the top 30 positions, and that is a very big feat guys. That itself speaks why Plutus IAS is considered the pioneer of IAS coaching in India at the moment. So guys, moving on, let's talk about a few of the features of Plutus IAS. So guys, the first feature would be the availability of both online and offline classes. Yes guys, Plutus IAS offers both online mode of classes and offline mode of classes, and this is very beneficial guys, because of the situation we are in right now. It is going to be beneficial because now the student does not miss the classes no matter what the situation is. No matter if there is corona or there is no corona, the student can continue on with the preparation, because a gap in the preparation will cost a student a lot. Not only his concentration is broken, but the flow that he was following is also broken. So yes guys, with the availability of both the mode of coaching, it's very beneficial for the student. As you have seen in earlier of the toppers, some of them opted for online coaching after the pandemic spread out. So yes guys, this is a very beneficial feature of Plutus IAS that is really beneficial for the students. So guys, moving on to the second feature, that is the faculty. The faculty of Plutus IAS is like the best guys. They are very friendly and treat the students literally as their classmates, I should say. They make them feel that no matter what the problem is and no matter what doubt they have, they can always approach the teachers to clear their doubts guys. And they themselves have cleared the prelims exam guys, so they know that what kind of strategy a student should be following to clear this tough exam. Because only, like I always say in my videos guys, to clear an exam like the UPSC exam, only hard work is not going to do. You have to do smart work along with hard work, and this smart work is being taught by the faculty at Plutus IAS. So guys, moving on, the third feature would be the study material. So guys, the study material helps the students later on a lot by enabling him to go through all the topics quickly like a revision. And if the study material is unnecessarily long with unnecessary points and topics, it's only going to result in the wastage of time, and time is of the essence for the aspirants. So here guys, the study material provided by Plutus IAS, everything is, even though written in very detailed manner, it's very short with no unnecessary information. So this helps the students go through all the topics quickly before the exam, and again this is very beneficial for the students. So guys, moving on to the mock test. Every week, and guys, frequently mock tests are being held there so that you can brush up your topics, and obviously guys, through mock tests you realize that okay, this is the section I'm weak at, okay, so this is the section I need to work more on. So a mock test is a very beneficial tool for the students that enable them to measure themselves, guys. And obviously guys, doubt clearing session, like I mentioned before, the faculty at Plutus IAS treat the students as their friends, and they let them know that no matter what the problem is, they can always approach the teachers. So in this regard guys, doubt clearing sessions are held very frequently, guys, so that the students can clear their doubts right there, right then, so that it does not continue on. Because if you don't understand a topic and if you keep on following or studying, then it's only going to become bigger and bigger to the point where other topics are not even understandable. So yes guys, these are some of the very beneficial features of Plutus IAS. And like I mentioned guys, as you know that 9 students have achieved their dream of becoming an IAS officer. So guys, if you are an aspirant and if you are looking for a good coaching that will help you realize your dream of becoming an IAS officer, then I would highly suggest you to go to Plutus IAS, because it is one of the best coachings when it comes to IAS preparation. So yes guys, that was all about the toppers. And if this video has helped you, then make sure you hit that like button, and if you want to see more such videos, then please hit that subscribe button. I'll be coming up with more such informative videos for you every day. Until we meet next time, keep preparing.